Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps. I'm doing a lot of videos around GitHub and GitHub Copilot, which will cover full course. So please subscribe to get the updates. So let's start the video. In this video, we are going to learn how to upload Nugget packages to GitHub Packages. Prerequisites: install Nugget or .NET commands. We need Nugget file along with the classic token with the read and write package scope. I'm going to install Nugget command. I'm only showing you with the help of Nugget command only for now. So let's install it. So it is downloaded. Now we need to add this into the environment variable, otherwise the command will not pick up in the command line. Environment variables, path, click OK. We have added Nugget packages folder here. Click OK. Open the git bash from here only. You see, now we are able to execute this command installed already, and these are the commands which will help us to upload Nugget packages to GitHub Packages. So Nugget command, which we already installed, sources. So we have to add the source as a GitHub. Source link is our organization link. Username is DevOps Bunker, and the password is GitHub token, classic token. So here we have to set the API key for the source. So next one, final one is Nugget push. So let's execute one by one.
A small request, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. It really encourages me to make more videos and courses like this. Now coming back to the video.
Source added successfully. Now set the API key. So finally push the Nugget packages to GitHub Packages. So and before that, you have to make sure that whatever the package we are trying to upload here, that should be available under this folder, or you have to provide the direct path, complete path. So Nugget packages, that is available here. So I'm executing the command here. This is the actual file which we are trying to upload. Push it. Yeah, this is published to GitHub Packages now. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.